Okay, so today's job is removing these chrome trims. So if you want to colour code them, replace them with black trim for Mini, whatever you want to do, replace them. Or if you're just removing the rear light, you have to remove these trims as well. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and all you do is use a trim tool, and there's some clips all the way around, and all we're going to do is go under this lip and pop it out. So let's give it a go. So all we do, pop that underneath. You can see that's already lifted that clip out. And we just go and work all the way around, and that's off. It's as simple as that. So if you look just on this edge, there's some quite solid clips, and then to refit, put it back in place and push it on. So that's a super easy process for removing it. So if you want to paint them, you can do. I think Mini actually offers some black ones that you can fit as well. Or if you've got to remove your light, then you can undo these 3 bolts, remove the light. But that's a super easy process, less than a minute to get those off, and it's the same on the passenger side. So if you found that video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you get updates on when we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.